Assume that when human resource managers are randomly selected, 61% say job applicants should follow up within 2 weeks. If 13 human resource managers are randomly selected, find the probability that fewer than 3 of them say job applicants should follow up within 2 weeks. So in our particular problem here, we would say that the probability of success is 61%. So as a decimal, this is 0.61. The number of trials is how many human resource managers that are randomly selected. So that means that n is going to equal 13. So n is going to equal 13. Okay? And then we want to find the probability that fewer than 3 of them say job applicants should follow up within 2 weeks. So we want to find the probability that there are fewer than 3. Okay, so that also means that x must be less than 3. Okay, so therefore that would be what the probability that we're looking for. So using StatCrunch, we're going to select stat, highlight calculators, and then select binomial. We're going to enter the number of trials where n is equal to 13, and the probability of success, p, is equal to 0.61. And we want to find the probability that fewer than 3 of them say job applicants should follow up within 2 weeks. And again, probability that x is fewer than 3 is equal to the probability that x is less than 3. So let's go ahead and open up the StatCrunch. So we're going to go to Stat, Calculators, and then go to Binomial. We know that n is equal to 13. We know our probability is 0.61. And we want to find fewer than 3. So we're going to make sure that we select the less than symbol and then put in the value of 3. And then let's go ahead and find our probability. So we will see that our probability rounded to 4 decimal places is going to be 0.0010. So therefore that is our probability. And therefore we would say the following. Thus, there is a 0.0010 probability that in a random sample size of 13 human resource managers, there will be fewer than 3 human resource managers who say job applicants should follow up within 2 weeks. Okay, now also keep in mind that table A2 in the back of the textbook only goes to n is equal to 8. So for n is equal to 13 for this textbook, you either want to use the formula or in this case, use StatCrunch.